All right, let's look at the 13.2 work together. We're talking about federal unemployment taxes. So here is a use the selected payroll information from employee earning records to calculate the FUTA taxes. Unemployment taxes are owed on the first $7,000 of earnings for each employee. So we've already learned how to get this column written, but basically you would take their earnings, let me make sure I'm doing it right. We would do $7,000 minus how much they made, and it's $900. So this is earnings, let's see if I can get that up there, earnings to equal the FUTA tax base. So that's the $900 that we got here. Cool? And the number that goes in here is the smaller of these two numbers. So, sorry, the smaller of these two numbers. So here we're going to do 762.50. Okay, let's try that again. 7,000 minus 7,980. Since we have a negative number here, we put 0 there. And then from these two numbers, the smallest one goes in here, which is 0. 7,000 minus 4,380. Nope. Yes, minus 4,380. Oh, I'm so sorry. 4,380. There we go. That number goes in right here, and then the earnings for current pay period there. The smaller of the two numbers goes in the FUTA earnings, and I'm not going to show you the last one. And then we total the columns. 762.50. $3,179. Total it again. $1,439.50. There we go. All right, now calculate the amount of employer payroll taxes owed for the May 1st through 15th pay period. Use the employer payroll tax rates provided. So to calculate our Social Security tax payable, I'm going to take the earnings for current pay period, $31.79, and multiply it by 0.062. Remember, you need to move the decimal 2 places. 197.10, round that the correct way. Okay, again, 1379 times 0.0145. Nope. I did that wrong. 3179 times 0.0145. So sorry. And again, round that correctly. 4610. Okay, here we have unemployment tax payable. We're going to take this number and do our multiplication. What is that number? 1439.50 times, now I need to move that decimal 2 places, so 12.008, $11.52. And unemployment tax again, so we're using the same number times 0.054, 7773. And then we need to add all those up for the total payroll taxes. $332.45. All right, moving on. Okay, now we need to journalize the payroll taxes. Okay, that is what we just did. Now we need to journalize it. All right, journalize the employer's payroll taxes. May 15th, current year, General Journal, page 10, memorandum number 46. So May 15th, payroll taxes expense, memorandum 46. Oops. Our debit is $332.45, right there. Okay, that was the total. Now we're going to break it down. This one was $197.10. Medicare. $46.10. Unemployment. Tax payable. Federal. $11.52. And unemployment. Tax payable. State. $77.73. Okay, that's it. Nice work.